Hey guys, I'm doing a video on Japan and their currency and kind of their economy and what's going on. I'm going to keep this video short and to the point. I'm not going to go into it too much, but just kind of give an overview. So the cliff notes are Japan's in a world of trouble, especially like compared to the US. There's a lot of people I see fearful here, but Japan is way more progressed into a dangerous economic situation, I'd say, than we are here. So the cliff notes are Japan has a ton of debt. Just to service their debt, 25% of their government tax revenue goes to service their debt, which is huge. And their interest rates are already extremely low, and it takes 25% of their tax revenue. So obviously interest rates can't go up there, not for now for sure. So in regard to another important part of their situation is their bonds. So the people hold the bonds, pensions hold their bonds, and bonds are obviously the prices are really high and interest rates are really low. Bonds are one of the main performing assets they've had there because the values have kept going up. However, there's a lot of stuff going on. The economy's taking some hits with the tsunami and the nuclear disaster, and people are getting older there, so they need their payouts from their retirement accounts and whatnot. So their retirement accounts and pensions might have to sell bonds. And the important thing is the government can't let the bonds to be sold off and cause a panic selling of the bonds. That would be a disaster for them. So the government has to make sure they can keep purchasing the bonds. This is huge. The way they're going to do that is they're going to print yen. So they're just going to keep printing money in order to cover it. They have to prevent a disaster like that. That would be crazy. Again, with the economy, they're struggling. If they had to, if the pensions, for instance, or whatnot, had to sell more of those bonds, someone has to cover it. Otherwise, those bonds are going to start trending down, and again, people might panic and sell their bonds, and they just can't let that happen. But if something like that does start, which, just the tip of it could start, the government could intervene right away overnight, basically do a bailout or a massive monetary injection, or basically a fund to calm that market. And doing so, they could devalue the yen overnight by 20 to 40%. So that's fundamentally, or part of fundamentally, why I'm short the yen, why I believe, that's my belief as well. So, and just to kind of put in there as well, I follow trends. That's how I like to trade, is following trends. And the yen is trending down, and the volume is also increasing. And I've been looking at this trade since December 2012. I've been considering it since then. Now it's May 15th, 2013, and it has been going down. It's gone down about 20%. The yen has gone down about 20% since then. I don't think it's over. Obviously, I don't think anything's really happened. In Japan, they're still at that precipice of what is going to happen. They have to keep ensuring those bonds stay afloat. So either way, there's going to be a lot of inflation, or there could be an immediate there could be a huge injection. One way or another, again, the Japanese yen is going to keep drifting down. And it's kind of what they need anyway. Expensive yen doesn't help with their economy and exporting and whatnot. So, well, that's the gist of it. Just to throw in there too, Japan is printing money 3 times faster than we are here in the US. So they're printing yen 3 times faster than the Federal Reserve is printing dollars. So just something to keep in mind. Yeah, I didn't go into it too much. I don't think I need to. I just want to get it out there. I think it's my favorite trade right now, the one I'm looking at the most. The technicals are the main reason how I look at everything first, but the fundamentals very strongly support it. So anyway, if you like the video, thumbs it up, or if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. I love trading and that kind of stuff and really knowing what's going on in the world. So yeah, my name's Tommy. I'll see you guys on the flip side.